Hi guys, just like to welcome you to my unboxing of a nice piece of kit that's just arrived. So all these computer nerds out there like myself, I've just bought a new power supply. Big wow, I hear a lot of you say. But this is from Corsair, and it's the HX10i. That's from, as I say, the Corsair brand new PSU 1000i. Absolutely brand spanking. Got this from Dabs right next day, so quite impressed with delivery time. Not a problem. Like most of the things that I've ever ordered from Dabs, not many issues out of them. Sometimes they have been a bit lackadaisical with the packaging. It's come quite unsecured, really. You know what these postal services are like. So you want everything to be packed quite well. This one actually has its, a large bubble wrap, etc. So it's well secured in the box it arrived in. So not a problem there this time. I say it has only been the odd time. Now, this isn't going to be a specs and everything else and a full in-depth review of this power supply. It's just simply an unboxing. So I'll leave you to actually look at the specs yourself. There's quite a few specs on the back and performance, etc. You know, the rating, but as I say, it's more of an unboxing, not a review. So I'll leave you to actually look at them if you are interested in this actual power supply. This is a mid-range one. I believe the AX is the top of the line. I can't remember the bottom end. But even so, they are all absolutely excellent power supplies. Now if we can suss that out and get into this flaming box, it'd be a great help, wouldn't it? I cannot suss it at all. There we go, it's hiding. You know. So obviously the manual, it's quite simplistic, isn't it? You know, I'm not going to need a manual for this. Wow. Comes in a sort of a fleecy bag. Never seen a power supply come in anything like that before. Should be able to utilise it for something, but don't see the point in that. But there you go. Quality counts and all that lot. But it's quite a weighty item, which is always a good sign in my book, especially for things like power supplies. So, cautionary there. Obviously you've got your standard power lead, and you know, you can isolate it as well by the power on and off switch. Quite a large fan there, of course. And then obviously all your peripheral connections, your SATAs and your 24-pin ATX. You've got your peripheral and SATA again here. And your 6+2 PCIe and 4+4 CPU connectors there. Obviously it's a modular power supply unit, which is actually replacing a 750 watt thermaltake one that I've actually got in at the moment. Nothing wrong with it, I just decided to upgrade. Simple as that. I've just done a new build, so replacing everything actually, and the power supply is the last thing to be actually updated absolutely everything else. The fan on this as well, I do believe it only comes on when needed. You know, so during normal operation the fan will be off most of the time. So if that does happen to you, don't worry about it. It is working absolutely fine. If you ever want to test the power supply, I believe there's a test button on the back actually. Yes, there's a test there. So just pressing that button. I don't know if it's a quick release, I presume it is. As I say, I've not actually powered it up yet actually, so I'm not fully aware. But I think it is just a quick press and off, and then you know, it could be a press and hold. Just try both. If one doesn't work, try the other. And that will test the fan. Another way to test it as well is if you turn the computer on during the initial startup, it will actually power the fan up to show you it's working, and then stop working. You know, switch itself off until it's needed then. So it's fully regulated. Absolutely pleased with it so far. I'll just show you the various connections you can get with it. Just everything I've basically gone through, showing you the rear connections really. Again, comes in quite a nice bag. Maybe utilise that as a shaving bag, eh? So look here, various cable ties and screws there. and obviously your various connections. Now for anybody that wants to actually replace these standard leads, you can actually buy a lead pack, which are all individually wrapped, I believe. You know, I think the retail here in the UK for around about 60 to 70 pounds, depending on where you shop. But there's all your various connections. Nothing special there. But anyway, if you are interested in the HX100i by Corsair, I can highly recommend it thus far. I will get it powered up and wired into the machine, and I'll give you further update maybe. We'll see how we go from there. But yeah, quite pleased with it. Anyway, that is the unboxing, as I say, of the Corsair HX100i. Thanks for watching.